Hello, Mac enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common issue: efficiently deleting temporary files on your Mac. We've got a solution that not only makes the process safer, but also more efficient. Let's dive into how Macube can be your go-to expert for a clutter-free Mac. Macube offers smart scanning modes to swiftly locate and sort unnecessary files on your Mac. It can detect various types of Mac junks, such as caches, large and old files, duplicated items, and more. Plus, it comes with professional support to optimize your user experience. Now, let's see how Macube works its magic to delete temp files efficiently. In the first step, install Macube on your Mac by clicking the download button below. Follow the simple instructions to ensure a proper installation. Once installed, launch the application to begin the cleanup process. For step 2, as soon as you launch Macube, you'll be directed to the Smart Scan section. Simply tap the Smart Scan button to initiate the scanning process, where Macube will identify and sort various types of unnecessary files on your Mac, including those pesky temp files. Next, at step 3, Macube will efficiently sort out all types of junk files, including temp files like caches and system logs. Choose the temp file types you want to delete, and with a simple tap on Clean, Macube will work its magic to clear those temporary files from your device. Finally, at step 4, wait for the magic to happen. Macube works quickly, and when the cleaning task is complete, you'll receive a notification. Your Mac is now free from the burden of temp files, thanks to Macube's efficient cleanup process. This is how Macube makes deleting temp files on your Mac a breeze. Besides handling temp files, you can also use Macube to tidy up other types of files, such as large and old files, duplicated items, and more. Stay tuned with Macube for more useful guides in our upcoming videos. Until next time, keep your Mac clean and efficient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.